Ask any business owner if they need AI. The answer is a big yes. Yeah. AI works 24 by 7, never complains, never asks for salary raise, and doesn't steal your lunch from the fridge. Let's see how AI is speeding up work, boosting productivity, and basically becoming the most valuable person, MVP, across different industries. A glimpse of which industries work smarter, faster, and how. Thanks to AI. Number 1, healthcare. Dr. Strange or Dr. AI? AI gives doctors a sixth sense using deep research. It predicts diseases even before your doctor knows, helps in treatments, surgeries with robotic precision, and zooms through millions of medical records for accurate assessment faster than you can spell stethoscope. Wonder if that cough is unique? Nothing or something very odd? Relax, AI got you covered. Number 2, finance. Your business just got a brain upgrade. AI is the financial analyst that never eats, sleeps, or complains about overtime. It detects frauds in real time in banking, insurance, to automate the needed audits by flagging transactions, so auditors don't lose sleep. Works on tons of boring data into smart dashboards for decisions. Result is fewer risks, faster decisions, and more business profits. Number 3, education. Say hey to your AI teacher, always ready to teach. Who does not hate Mondays? Learning and lectures become interesting and no confusing homework. AI teaches in a simple way to make sense at your own pace. It's like your personal guide or tutor in your pocket, and also does not scold or shout at you. Learning is easy and a lot more fun. Number 4, retail and e-commerce. Google already knows what you did during day, most of the time better than your own biological father. AI looks for that and more to know your interest and needs before you do. Same way Instagram shows you that exact shirt, watch, or meeting you were thinking about. Yes, AI is your digital mind at work, all the time tracking your interests, income, purchase history to suggest where you should spend your money on next. Very creepy, right? From personalized shopping to AI-powered chatbots, Ginny, Johnny, etc. that reply instantly, answer your queries on chat without speaking to anyone. For the business, it means better planning, more sales, fewer headaches, and customer complaints. Number 5, agriculture, helping farmers plan their crops and income, transforming muddy boots into smart farms. AI now monitors crop health like a plant whisperer, predicts weather like a fortune teller, and helps farmers grow suitable crops, flowers, fruits with less water and fewer chemicals. It is a complete guide on what to grow, when, and how. Developing countries needs such smart farmers as even plants. Nature deserves a tech upgrade. Number 6, cybersecurity. Cyber attackers are using more AI than any other tech professional in the world. There is increase in cybercrime at the speed of light, with new tricks applied to con many people. AI can also be the guard that protects your data and business while you sleep. AI is that digital ninja detecting phishing, blocking malware, and adapting to block new threats, to block hacker who say, "What the?" Secure your business or digital life. Deploy AI-powered tools and to get 24 by 7 bodyguard for your data. Security managed on autopilot. Let's say yes to AI, saving time, money, and unlocking so much more magic. AI users are far and wide. Have any special needs? Drop a comment or WhatsApp on 89602513 or write to systech.in. Our AI experts will help your business grow. Stay AI curious. Unless you adopt AI, you may not be smart or safe.